The Japanese fishing industry has undergone a major revolution with the advent of modern fishing boats. These boats are not only large in size but also equipped with cutting-edge technology to optimize fishing efficiency and protect fish resources. An average fishing boat today can be up to 50 to 100 meters long, with the ability to carry hundreds of tons of fish and operate continuously for many days at sea. Modern boats are often equipped with advanced sonar and radar systems, helping fishermen to accurately locate schools of fish. This system can scan deep into the water layer, thereby providing detailed information on the size, density and location of large schools of fish. This not only helps increase fishing efficiency but also helps fishermen minimize risks, avoiding wasting resources in areas with few fish. In addition, boats also integrate on-site cold storage systems. The fish holds are designed to maintain low temperatures, ensuring that the fish will remain fresh as soon as they are caught. This is especially important when fishermen need to travel long distances to shore. And the quality of the product is always guaranteed right from the moment of harvest. In addition, safety is also a top priority. Modern fishing boats are fully equipped with alarm systems, automatic rescue systems and satellite positioning devices. These technologies help fishermen operate more safely in harsh sea conditions, and at the same time help them handle emergency situations quickly. The above is a specific example of a paragraph in a 6,000-word article that you need. To write a full 6,000-word review, you can expand each section in the above outline, with each section being about 700 to 800 words long to ensure sufficient length, and incorporate real-life stories, figures, and examples to enrich the content. To write a detailed and complete review of Japanese fishermen using modern boats to catch hundreds of tons of fish, I will go into each section in the proposed outline. Let's start with the most important sections. Including descriptions of fishing technology, economic value, production and processing chains. The detailed content will give you an in-depth look at each aspect of the Japanese fishing industry. Japan, geographically an island nation surrounded by large seas, has developed a long-standing and complex fishing industry. The sea is not only a source of food but also the foundation for many aspects of Japanese culture and society. The fisheries industry plays a vital role in the economy, providing nutritious food and providing employment for millions of workers. Japan is known for its diversity of aquatic species, from popular fish such as tuna, salmon, swordfish, to high-end seafood such as octopus, squid, and crab. Japan's famous cuisine, especially traditional dishes such as sushi, sashimi, and other fish dishes, has further reinforced the important role of the sea and fisheries in the daily lives of its people. Japan's fisheries industry not only serves domestic demand but is also a major source of export for the country. Japanese fish and fish products have always been highly valued in the international market, thanks to their superior quality and strict production processes. As a result, the fisheries industry contributes significantly to the country's GDP, creating many economic opportunities and development for coastal communities. In the era of industrialization and modernization, Japanese fishing boats have undergone a dramatic transformation. Traditional boats, such as small boats using oars or sails, have been gradually replaced by large boats with advanced technology. Nowadays, many fishermen use high-tech fishing boats equipped with devices such as radar, sonar, GPS and satellite communication systems to determine the location of schools of fish. Sonar and radar are two advanced technologies that help fishermen locate and determine the location of schools of fish underwater. With radar, fishermen can scan the entire sea surface to detect unusual changes on the water surface. While sonar helps to search deep, allowing the detection of fish and other marine life hundreds of meters below the water surface. These technologies allow fishermen to catch fish with high precision, saving time and effort compared to traditional methods. Modern Japanese fishing vessels can range from 50 to 100 meters in length, with the ability to carry hundreds of tons of fish on each trip. Given their size and large capacity, these vessels are often equipped with onboard refrigeration systems. This helps keep the fish fresh from the time they are caught until they return to port, ensuring the best quality for the market. In addition, these vessels are often equipped with modern safety and environmental protection equipment, automatic rescue systems, along with GPS positioning devices and satellite communications, ensure the safety of fishermen in harsh weather conditions. This is especially important for in recent years. AI and automation technology have been applied to improve the fishing process. Smart systems are able to predict the best time to fish. Analyze ocean currents and sea temperatures to identify areas with large schools of fish. This information helps Japanese fishermen increase fishing efficiency, minimizing overexploitation of marine resources. One of the most common fishing methods in Japan is the use of large-scale fishing nets. These nets can be hundreds of meters long and can cover a large area of the sea. When dropped into the sea, the net will follow the current, and when large schools of fish swim in, the net will slowly close and collect the fish back to the boat. A popular method is trawl fishing, in which the net is pulled under the water or near the seabed. With modern technology, fishermen can adjust the depth of the net and the pulling speed to suit each type of fish. This method is commonly used to catch tuna, swordfish, and other large fish. The trawling process usually takes several hours, and when finished, the fisherman will collect hundreds of tons of fresh fish. Using technology makes the process more efficient, reduces waste, and protects fishery resources from overfishing. A purse seine is a large net that can encircle a school of fish from both sides, then tighten to capture the entire school. This technology allows for large-scale fishing, and is often used to harvest sardines, anchovies, and tuna. What's special is that fishermen can remotely control the net using mechanical systems, making the fishing process quick and efficient. 4. Economic value of modern fishing. Modern fishing brings great economic value to Japan. The country is one of the world's largest producers of fish and seafood products. With millions of tons of fish caught each year, the fisheries industry contributes significantly to Japan's GDP. Fish production is not only consumed domestically but also exported to international markets. Major markets such as the US, EU, and Asian countries all favor high-quality seafood products from Japan. The fishing and seafood processing industry provides jobs for millions of Japanese people. especially in coastal areas. Fishermen, workers in processing plants, and related industries such as transportation and logistics all benefit from the industry. This helps sustain the development of coastal communities, where fisheries play an important role in local life and culture. Japan is one of the world's largest exporters of fish. Japanese tuna, especially bluefin tuna, has always commanded high prices in the international market, thanks to its rigorous fishing and processing procedures. This has brought in a lot of revenue for the economy, while strengthening Japan's position in the global seafood market. In the following sections, I will elaborate on the production and processing chain and challenges facing the seafood industry. Which section would you like me to expand on first? We will continue to delve deeper into other important sections, including the production and processing chain of seafood, challenges and opportunities of the Japanese fishing industry, and future trends. These sections will highlight various elements of the seafood industry, from technical aspects to strategic importance to the economy and the environment. When it comes to the Japanese seafood industry, it is impossible not to mention the related supply and processing chains. The process from fishing to the moment the seafood product appears on the consumer's table is a complex and tightly organized series of activities. One of the key factors that helps Japan maintain the high quality of its seafood products is the application of modern technology throughout the supply chain. After the fish are caught at sea, they are immediately processed and stored in ideal conditions on board. Modern Japanese boats often have low-temperature storage compartments or quick freezing systems, which help keep the fish fresh and maintain high nutritional content. After docking, the fish are transferred directly to processing plants. Here, stages such as sorting, preliminary processing and packaging take place with the support of automation technology and modern production lines. For high-end products such as tuna for sashimi, the processing process must comply with strict standards to ensure quality and food safety. In the seafood processing industry, Japan has applied many advanced technologies to optimize the production process and improve product quality. Technologies such as flash freezing, food irradiation and vacuum packaging help preserve food for a long time while still maintaining its flavor and nutritional value. In particular, flash freezing technology allows fish to be frozen shortly after catching, helping to minimize quality deterioration due to bacteria or oxidation. In addition, during processing, automated machines such as cutting robots, automatic packaging machines, and AI quality management systems help minimize human intervention, while increasing production speed and ensuring high accuracy. The Japanese seafood processing industry does not stop at maintaining product quality, but also focuses on sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions. Many large seafood companies are researching and developing green processing processes, minimizing the use of plastic, chemicals, and water in the production process. This not only helps protect the environment but also meets the sustainable consumption trend of the global market. Japan's processed seafood products are increasingly diverse. From canned fish, frozen seafood, to ready-to-eat dishes such as packaged sushi and sashimi. With advanced technology, Japan is able to export these products around the world, thereby expanding the market and increasing economic value. Along with its successes, the Japanese fishing industry also faces many major challenges. especially environmental issues and resource management. However, these challenges also open up many new opportunities, if the parties involved can handle them well and apply technology to sustainable management processes. One of the biggest challenges facing the Japanese fishing industry is the protection of marine resources in the context of overfishing. Many valuable fish species such as bluefin tuna are facing the risk of extinction due to overfishing over the past decades. Balancing economic needs and protecting natural resources is becoming an urgent issue. Japan has participated in many international organizations on ocean conservation, and the Japanese government has implemented many policies to control fishing. For example, there are strict regulations on the minimum size of fish allowed to be caught, and fishermen must adhere to catch quotas to ensure that fish stocks are not depleted. To address the challenges associated with overfishing and climate change, many businesses and organizations in Japan have invested in research on aquaculture and sustainable fishing. Cage fish farming systems, with strict control over water quality and feed, are emerging as a potential alternative to wild fishing. This not only helps to reduce pressure on wild fish stocks but also creates a stable and sustainable supply for domestic and international markets. In addition, satellite tracking and monitoring technology for fish stocks and IoT, Internet of Things, devices are being applied to control and predict fish production. This technology allows fishermen to monitor fish spawning and migration, and adjust fishing activities accordingly. The Japanese government has played an important role in promoting policies to protect the marine environment and encourage sustainable development models. Regulations on fishing licenses and fishing quotas have been strictly applied to prevent overfishing and ensure that future generations can still access marine resources. In addition, Japan has actively participated in international initiatives such as the United Nations Ocean Conservation Agreement, pledging to reduce the use of ocean plastics and promote sustainable policies. The government also funds research and development of new aquaculture methods, thereby creating more job opportunities for fishermen and sustaining the development of the industry. Aquaculture is becoming an increasingly important sector in Japan's seafood industry. With limited exploitation of natural resources, aquaculture can ensure a stable and sustainable supply to the market. Technologies such as closed cage fish farming, AI-based water quality control, and the use of environmentally friendly biofeeds are being developed vigorously. In addition to fish, Japan is also promoting the production of other seafood such as seaweed and mollusks, clams, oysters. These are nutritious seafood with great export potential, while also contributing to reducing pressure on natural fish resources. In the future, technologies such as blockchain can be applied to track and make the seafood supply chain transparent. This will help consumers know the origin and production process of the products they consume. While ensuring sustainability and exploitation, AI and big data will also play an important role in predicting fishing trends, helping fishermen optimize operations